No matter where you are in your journey, focus can be one of the biggest challenges. Both new and seasoned developers alike need a little help concentrating on their projects or courses. We all struggle with constant interruptions dragging our attention away from the tasks at hand. No one's immune to the silent call of our inboxes, notifications, and to do lists. We live in a busy, distracted world, but we can use proven productivity techniques to help us stick with our goals. One of the most popular productivity methods is the Pomodoro technique, which gets its name from a tiny kitchen timer shaped like a tomato. I love this productivity hack, and many learners have used it to achieve their goals. In this course, we will explain what the Pomodoro technique is, the benefits it provides, who uses it, and how it can help you. We will also provide practical ways of implementing the technique and offer examples of how it can be used in different contexts. See, the Pomodoro technique is a time management system that can help software developers and programmers to become more productive and focused while working on complex projects. The technique was invented in the late 1980s by Francesco Cirillo, who was a student at that time, looking for a way to manage his study time. The technique has since gained popularity and has been adopted by many professionals, including software developers and programmers. In this course, we will learn how to use and implement Pomodoro technique in your day-to-day lives.